everyone. Introduction to electronics. In today's world, we're surrounded by devices designed for specific purposes. Whether it's a smartphone, a smartwatch, or even a home appliance, these devices all rely on one thing: electronics. But what exactly is electronics? At its core, it's about understanding how electrons move and behave. By controlling how they flow through materials like conductors and semiconductors, we can manipulate electrical signals to perform countless tasks. What are electronic systems? Now, think of an electronic system as a carefully designed network of circuits and components working together. For instance, a simple system might include a battery, a resistor, a switch, and a bulb. When connected, these components allow you to control the bulb's glow, with the battery as the power source and the switch as the control. But the story of electronics doesn't stop there. Evolution of electronic system. Over the years, technological advancements have transformed these systems. From the bulky vacuum tubes of the past to today's compact integrated circuits and efficient PCBs, the evolution of electronics has been a journey of constant innovation. Vacuum tubes. Let's start with vacuum tubes radio. These were the key components in early electronic systems, controlling electricity and amplifying signals in devices like radios. While they played a crucial role, they had significant drawbacks. Vacuum tubes were large, fragile, and generated a lot of heat, making them inefficient and challenging to maintain. Transistors. To overcome these issues, transistors used in radio. These semiconductor devices revolutionized electronics by acting as switches and amplifiers. They offered better control over electrical signals and paved the way for more compact systems. But even early transistors weren't perfect. They faced challenges like large sizes, manufacturing defects, and overheating. Let's see. Integrated Bluetooth radio. Integrated circuits or ICs, which marked the turning point in electronics. Integrated circuits could combine multiple transistors, resistors, capacitors, and other elements into one tiny package. This breakthrough not only made devices smaller, but also more reliable and efficient, setting the stage for modern electronics. Evolution-based connection in electronic system. As electronics advanced, so did the methods for connecting components. Manual method point-to-point soldering, board technology, the rise of PCB. Manual method point-to-point soldering. Early circuits relied on point-to-point wiring, where each connection was made manually. This approach was time-consuming and prone to errors. Boards technology. Prototyping improved with the introduction of boards. These boards, with their grid of holes and copper strips, made it easier to connect components. However, boards weren't without flaws. Loose or poor connections often caused sparking, leading to unreliable circuit performance. The rise of PCB. To address these challenges, PCB technology emerged as the ultimate solution. PCBs provide reliable and efficient interconnections, making them ideal for modern electronics. The process begins with manufacturing a bare PCB, followed by assembling components onto the board. Benefits of PCB technology. PCB offers many benefits like this method is not only cost-effective, but also ensures faster production times and more reliable results. Today, PCBs are the backbone of modern electronics, enabling smaller, smarter, and more efficient designs. You've spent your valuable time on this journey, and now you have a clear understanding of how electronic systems and their connections have evolved. Now have a deeper appreciation for the intricate network of connections that power the electronics around us. In our next video, we'll explain what a printed circuit board in electronics is. Stay tuned for the link once it's live. Also, to know more about us, check out our playlist.